guys, good morning from Goa. I hope that you guys are doing absolutely great as usual. And I hope that कल का वीडियो है जो व्लॉग था वो आप लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा होगा. You have enjoyed a lot. So आज गोवा में मेरा थर्ड एंड लास्ट डे है और गोवा में देखने के लिए, एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए इतना सारा कुछ है और 3 दिन का ही ट्रिप है अपना. तो 3 दिन में सब कुछ कवर हो पाना थोड़ा सा टफ है, लेकिन हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितना हो सके, जितना कवर कर सके हम लोग कर लेंगे. तो अभी हम लोगों का जो आज का प्लान है वो ऐसा है कि गोवा में लीकर तो बहुत फेमस है, वो सबको पता है, क्योंकि वैरायटी के हिसाब से, प्राइस के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे हाइप्ड है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक लीकर शॉप ढूंढ के निकाला जहाँ पे इंडिया की सबसे बेस्ट कलेक्शंस है. सारे फॉरेन लिकर्स की कलेक्शंस है वहाँ पे. गोवा में हर एक सेकेंड शॉप आपको वाइन शॉप मिल जाएगा, लेकिन अभी जिस जगह पे मैं आप लोगों को लेके चल रही हूँ वो जगह एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे जो ओनर है ही इज़ पैशनेट अबाउट लिकर्स एंड वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो नॉर्मल कोई भी वाइन शॉप में नहीं मिलेगा. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं और उस जगह का नाम है द लिकर क्लब, उस शॉप का नाम है, और ये मडगांव में है. और मडगांव जो है वो साउथ गोवा और सेंट्रल गोवा के बीच में है. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं चेकआउट करने के लिए और वहाँ पे कोशिश करेंगे कवर करने के लिए, अगर अंदर अलाउड है तो आप लोगों को भी दिखाएंगे कि अंदर कैसे कैसे कलेक्शन. So hi guys, finally I'm at the store which I had promised to take you here. So now I would love to introduce the owner of this beautiful store, Mr. Vikram. Hi Vikram.
Hello.
So please tell us about brief of this store, beautiful store.
This idea came 2 years back when me and my wife Teresa, I requested her to come this side, please. So when we decided to start something different, and the reason why we wanted something to be different because in Goa, see, every second store is a liquor store. So you will find less of kirana store in Goa and more of liquor stores in Goa. So to stand out in entire place, in entire this thing, so we thought like we'll make such a place wherein like people come and they can choose their brands, the brands which are not available in every store.
Right.
So we took a decision to go all out with a selection which is not easily available in the open market.
Right.
Normally people are used to see this in duty free and all those places.
Right.
And when they travel abroad and also, we wanted to give them an experience what they are experiencing when they are traveling abroad.
Right.
So we thought like we'll give that experience in Goa itself.
Yes.
That was the whole idea.
So this is the place for the passionate people who enthusiast of consumption of alcohol passionately.
More than
Like
consumption,
us.
collection also.
collection. More than
also,
yeah,
right.
consumption is there only, but the brands which are there, like these are like one of the like few brands which are like Brook Lady. You will not see this brand bottle very regularly in the outlets.
Yes.
And the pronunciation also, like if you'll ask 5 people to pronounce this name, it will be like it will be a good fun for 5-10 minutes because people will
Right.
try like their stuff like to pronounce this name as good as they can. But yeah, it's Brook Lady, and there are some brands which we thought like people should have in their house, in their bar counters. So
Right.
this is what new culture which is come now. More than consumption, the brand should be seen in their
Yes.
house, whether they're consuming or not consuming. But this brand has to be seen in the house.
Even we are also planning to keep some, rare stuffs from here. I don't know how many bottles we can carry from here, but we are also planning to keep some in our own bar counter. So we also have a mini bar counter at our own place. So we are looking forward it definitely. So could you please take me through some rare collections which people would love to see and
See,
love to collect?
one is this Japanese collection which is growing, the Japanese whiskies which are growing in India. This market is a very niche market. People are still not known about Japanese whiskey.
Okay.
But they are like as good or at par with the scotches what are made across Scotland. Quality wise also and pricing wise also. Plus next week Hibiki and Yamazaki is going to get launched. So that means actually there is a big market for Japanese whiskies. Then you have the gins which are there, like this is one section which is the fastest growing section. I'll tell you this collection was this display was not given to gin for quite some time, but now when we realized that this is the brand collection what we have, the choices what we have for gin, we said we have to give a proper justice to these brands and we have to display these brands properly. And then we thought like we make a proper, so like see this Roko gin, Botanist, these are like top 5, 10, Okinawa gin or Tanqueray number 10. These are the gins which are like ruling the gin market worldwide. Hendrix, Monkey 47. These are top class gins. Plus now what is happening is we are getting amazing products from Goa also. So Pumori, Greater Than, Hapusa and Stranger and Sons. These are local brands made locally in Goa, but they are creating waves across globe. Seriously, they are like people are liking these brands across the nations. They have launched. They have India also. They have launched and they have launched in many other countries also, and people are loving these brands. So this is one section which is very big. Then we have regular liquors and all which are like, again I'll say it's not a big culture like Aperol if you say or Campari if you say. People have not started using these brands in their home for personal consumption.
Right.
Still there it's a niche market. Then coming to your, these are regular scotches and we know all these brands, Teachers, Black and Whites and all these brands. We know these are the regular brands what we have. Then coming to the cognacs. So what is cognac? Cognac is basically your brandies made in the cognac region of France. That's why they are called cognacs. So they have GI tag. GI tag what we have like for Goa Feni, whatever is made of cashew, liquid, the alcohol which is made of cashew can be called Feni only when it is made in Goa. Same like with this, which is made in cognac region can be called cognacs.
Okay.
They are brandies basically, and but they are called cognacs. Then we have this Dom Perignon champagne bottles, which is costing 20.
Bottles are absolutely stunning. Wow.
This is Dom Perignon costing around 20,000 rupees. Again, it's a champagne, sparkling wine which is made in the Champagne region of France. Again, same story of GI tag, what we call like GI tag is given to Champagne region and we can call this brand Champagne because they are made in Champagne region of this. So these are the vodkas, regular vodkas which are there, imported one. And the beauty about this collection is day by day it's increasing. Right now, all these are made of different things. Example, if you see Ciroc, which is made of grape, it's a grape vodka. It's not made of regular thing. It's grape vodka. Then you have vodkas made of rye. Then you have Hunting, vodka Hunting, Beluga Hunting, which is a very very big huge brand, premium brand if you see globally. Absolute is by far the fastest selling and number wise, as a brand wise, is one of the biggest brand which is selling in big numbers.
So I have tried so far Finlandia Absolute and the Smirnoff was quite common, but I have tried this Finlandia and Grey Goose as well, so I have liked them. But apart from
Belvedere
this,
is good. Russian Standard is one brand which is come on doing good.
Yeah.
This is also a very amazing vodka, Russian Standard. This one, a good vodka, worth giving a try for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
We have some goodies on that. You have bag free on that and all this stuff. So we
Okay.
have that also. Like on every purchases, if you see outside also.
Okay.
So you buy if like Johnny Walker products, the brand products portfolio. You have trolley bags, shaving
Okay.
kits, bar kits,
Right.
like perfumes. So you have a lot of stuffs like which are like we are incentivizing customers also. It's not only selling.
Right.
We are saying them, but take this and come again to us.
Come again to us, right?
So it's more than other than your only pushing for the sales. We are making sure that customer is going with a smile on his face.
Yes.
That is more important, in fact.
Yes,
See,
definitely.
one is you are doing a business to create wealth, and one is the business what you do with your passion.
Absolutely.
See, like how you have passion for vlogging and traveling and all.
Right.
So for me and for my wife Teresa, it's more than business. It is passion. We do it like very passionately,
Yes.
and that's the only thing like which keeps us motivating in these times also, where in a pandemic time wherein like things are not that good, businesses are going down.
Yes.
But like that is only thing like because we are passionate about thing and we said we will do and we have to continue with this business, so we are pulling on
Yes.
because that is the passion.
So guys, I hope ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा ये कन्वर्सेशन, आपको बहुत मज़ा आया। विक्रम एंड हिज वाइफ आर रियली अडोरेबल कपल और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हम लोग को वेलकम किया एंड आई एम माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन आई एम एक्सट्रीमली डम्बस्ट्रक टू सी द कलेक्शंस दे हैव केप्ट इन देयर स्टोर। इतने फॉरेन ब्रांड्स हैं, मैंने काफ़ी जगह काफ़ी लिकर स्टोर में विज़िट किया इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, बट आई हैव नेवर सीन this huge range of foreign liquors. So definitely this is a must visit place if you are planning to come to Goa. अगर आप गोवा में नॉर्थ गोवा में आते हो तो take out some time and come to South Goa. It's in between South Goa and Central Goa. It's in Margao city that I have already mentioned. तो यहाँ पे एक बार आप ज़रूर विज़िट करें। भले ही आप कंज्यूम ना करो, लेकिन कलेक्टिबल्स अगर आपको पीसेस चाहिए आपके खुद के लिए, कलेक्शंस के लिए, सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ द प्लेस फॉर यू। सो मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें परचेज़ की एंड आई हैव रिसीव्ड लॉट्स ऑफ गुडीज़ which I'm going to post it on my Insta profile, so please go and check out there. So now we are heading towards next destination.